Hello, looking to translate a PowerPoint slide into another language? While you can easily copy and paste text into ChatGPT for translation, handling tables, charts, and shapes can be trickier. But don't worry, I've got a streamlined method to simplify the process with AI. Here's a step-by-step guide to translating your slides effortlessly. 1. Visit the tool, go to ppt.gptsci.com, click on Google Login Quick Start to access the system securely with your Google account. 2. Upload your slide. Take a screenshot of your slide. You can paste the image directly or upload it from your file system. For this demonstration, I've uploaded a table. 3. Create the slide. Click Create PowerPoint Slide. The AI will analyze the image and convert it into PowerPoint objects. This may take a moment, depending on the file size. 4. Download your file. Once processing is complete, the AI will provide a summary of what it found and a download link for the new PowerPoint file. Download and open it in Microsoft PowerPoint. 5. Review the content. The first slide will be the original image, while the subsequent slides will contain the extracted content. To translate the content, simply type "translate to Chinese" or any other language you need and hit Enter. The AI will quickly generate a new version of the slide with all text translated into the specified language. 7. Review and finalize. In just a few seconds, your slide will be ready with the translated text. If you have any further questions or need adjustments, just send another message. For example, you can ask AI to rewrite the title in Chinese. Submit the request, wait a few seconds, and then check the downloaded file. Let's see what's the result. The AI is capable of rewriting or fixing grammar issues, much like ChatGPT. Now you're all set to integrate the translated slide into your presentation. Happy presenting!